Okay, so here we are, heading back up again. Want to try Timbuktu one more time? Sure? Is that a yes or a no? You. What? Huh? Huh? Yes?
Okay.
What do you think? 65 degrees or so, huh? Nothing but sun and snow everywhere you look. What a day. At the peak, right?
Mm-hmm.
Favorite place to ski?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tearing it up at the peak. Only ridden the Gondola once today, actually. That's kind of unusual, huh? Well, the tram, excuse me. We've only ridden the tram once today. Okay, is that better?
Yes.
Okay. And we've only done the woods twice. Only twice, the woods. That's kind of... 3 times? Okay. I'm getting everything wrong, huh?
Yep.
All right. Is that usual?
Yeah.
Yeah? I never get anything right?
Yep.
Okay. Well, the marking. So what a day, huh? What a day. Spring skiing at its finest. Cut it through the woods, through the glades. So what do you think? Tell me your opinion.
Alright.
Huh?
Alright.
Is that the best you could do? Last time was better?
Yeah.
You like it better when there's lots and lots of fresh powder?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But it's not bad, right?
Yeah.
No, still the woods are open, right? We can ski the glades. Huh? Yeah. So that's okay. And it's a beautiful day, and you can't beat 65 degrees, huh, and sunshine. Like LA. Huh? Do we schlep the weather from LA with us over here, huh? Shredded. Empty slopes now. That's everybody. There's somebody cutting through the woods.
That's not the way.
Mom with the 2 girls. Huh? But a little too young for you, I think, huh? What's that look for? There's a tram going over there. Way up there. Oh. Telemarking. No bunny. Little bird. And another one. These woods don't look bad. They're nice and sparse with plenty of snow. But I guess we'll go over to Timbuktu, huh? Kicking back in the sun. Does it feel good? Glad you took your sweater off? Huh? Uh-huh. Hey. Hi. It's a jumping competition going on way over there. More telemarking. Go, Grandma, go. Go, Grandma, go. What do you think? Silence. So where would you rather be? Rather be here or be in LA? Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't know too much, do you? You like it both?
Yes.
You liked LA?
Yes.
You like it here? Which do you like better? What'd you rather do? Go skiing or roller coastering? Like them both the same? Huh?
Yeah.
Pretty much? Can you look over here and smile? Say hi? Hi. We're almost at the lift. So you think about raising the bar now, huh? Okay, let's go do Timbuktu.